What if I told you there's an animal so massive its heart is the size of a car, yet most people will never see it? Beneath the waves, the blue whale holds the record as the largest creature to ever exist, bigger than any dinosaur. But size doesn't mean survival. Sharks have ruled the ocean for 400 million years, twice as long as trees. They've outlived asteroids, ice ages, and mass extinctions. And deep below, in total darkness, the Titanic is still there, slowly dissolving year by year as bacteria eat away at what remains. The ocean is ancient, merciless, and nearly untouched. We've only mapped 5% of it. So the real question is, what else is waiting down there?